Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do another negative space, but this time I'm going to do to match the one that we did last time. So instead of the background being white, we're going to use a black background. I think it's going to be nice. I think it's going to be nice for both of them to be on a wall. I think the mix is going to look great. Again, we're going to use the Siqueiros technique, meaning that we only use water in our acrylic. It's good enough. It's have great result. We did prove it in the past. So guys, like always, don't forget, subscribe. It's important for us. It keeps us going and give you some more content because, as you know, YouTube is not very much a lucrative business, but it's a lot of work. So I would really appreciate it. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I think as you might have see by yourself that the result is great. I think it's not a very big surprise. We did know with all the experiment we did a long time ago with only acrylic and water, the result is great. We don't have to put any kind of product in it to have a great result. And as you can see, I think the mix between the match, should I say, between both of the canvas that we did the last time and this time, I think they go well together. They have to be as a pair. I don't think I could be able to sell them apart from one another. I think they both make one great result. I think it's important to leave them as is, as both of them on the wall. So guys, I hope you did enjoy, and like I said before, you can see the result with only using water. I think it's great. I think you don't have to go overboard and use a lot of product. I think only water. Well, again, if you want to have some cells, add some silicone or white glue. That's not much more, or even rubbing alcohol. I think rubbing alcohol would do even a better job. I think we're going to try it for sure. Negative space with acrylic, water, and rubbing alcohol. I think that would be a great experience. So guys, anyway, I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it because it's subjective, but I think the result is great. And like always, guys, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.